Hello friends, welcome to virtual math class, and today we will discuss the components of a 3D shape using 2D shapes. Students will know the different attributes of three-dimensional shapes. Students will understand that you can use 2D shapes to create a 3D shape. Students will be able to identify 3D shapes and their attributes. They will also be able to identify the 2D shape used as a component to create the 3D shape. Our vocabulary. So we have three-dimensional shape or 3D shape, and those are the shapes that are fat or has depth, like a sphere, a cube, a cone, and a cylinder. And then we have two-dimensional shape or 2D shape, and that is a shape that is flat, like a square, a circle, a triangle, and a rectangle. And then we have face or surface, and that is the side of a three-dimensional shape. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to look at the surfaces of the different 3D shapes that we have, okay? Now, we see that a sphere is not on here because it does not have a face, okay? It does not have a flat surface. We're only looking at the shapes with a flat surface, okay? For example, let's start with the cone, okay? If you notice on the cone is sitting on a circle, okay? The circle at the bottom is allowing the cone to sit up, okay? It's sitting on its flat surface. Now, the shape that I know that is a component of the cone is a circle, okay? Because the circle is the flat surface on a cone, or is the face of a cone, okay? Let's look at a cube. What shape do you see as a flat surface on the cube, or a face of the cube? Yes, it is a square. Good job. Because when the cube is sitting down, it's sitting on its flat surface, and the shape of its flat surface is a square. Okay. All right, let's look at the flat surface of a cylinder, or the face of the cylinder. What shape do you see, or what shape do you notice? Yes, a circle, a circle. Okay, so the cylinder has a flat surface that is a circle, just like the cone. Okay, and another thing that you can notice is that a cylinder has a flat surface of a circle at the top and at the bottom. But do you notice a cone only has one flat surface of a circle? A cylinder has two. Let's go to the next one. All right, so now we are going to be looking at the surfaces or the faces of these different objects, okay? And then we're going to mark an X under the correct surface, okay? Now, before we do that, let's get our vocabulary card to help us remember what a face or a surface is, okay? So remember, a face or a surface is the side of a three-dimensional shape. So we're going to be looking at the sides or the flat part of the objects, okay? So let's look at this block, okay? What type of surface do you notice for this block? Is it the surface of a square or the surface of a circle? Yes, a surface of a square. Good job. Awesome. Let's look at this marker. Okay. Remember, we're looking at the flat surface, so we're looking at the base or the ends. What shape do you notice is at the surface of this cylinder? A square or a circle? A circle. Good job. Awesome. Let's look at this party hat. And what 3D shape is this shaped like? It's shaped like a cone, like a cone. So what do you notice about the surface of this party hat or of this cone? What do you notice? What shape do you notice is at the surface? A square or a circle? A circle. Awesome job. All right, let's look at the Kleenex box. Okay. The Kleenex box is shaped like a what? A cube, a cube. Awesome. Now, what do you notice about the face or the surface of this Kleenex box? Is it shaped like a square or a circle? Like a square. Awesome. And then last but not least, let's look at this box here. Okay, let's look at this surface right here. What shape do you notice is at the surface of this box or of this cube? A square or a circle? A square. Good job. So something that you can know is that you can use 2D shapes to create 3D shapes. All right, now let's look at this one. All right, so the surface of the shape that we need to find is a circle, okay? The flat surface is a circle. So which one of these three-dimensional shapes has a flat surface of a circle? A cylinder or a cube? A cylinder. Good job. Because if you notice here, this is one of the faces or one of the flat surfaces of the cylinder. Awesome job. Okay. So let's review one more time. So one thing I want you to remember is that you can use 2D shapes or flat shapes to make 3D shapes, which are the fat shapes. So let's start with the cone. What type of surface or face does a cone have? A circle, yes. Let's look at the cube. What type of face or surface does a cube have? A square. And let's look at the cylinder. What type of face or surface does the cylinder have? A circle. Awesome. Awesome. So now you can go ahead and complete your assignment. All right, I will see you soon. Bye.